Hello everyone, this is Mihir Korulwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Analyst initiates viewpoint coverage on PFC with a price target of Rs 560. Expect 32% upside. After recent steep correction of more than 25% in the last few months, the risk reward has turned favorable. We expect PFC to deliver 14% loan book CAGR for FY25 to 27. The growth trajectory is expected to translate into ROA of more than 2.8% and ROE of more than 17.6% by FY27. On a standalone basis, PFC trades at 1.4x FY27 core book value, and we believe that the risk reward is attractive considering decent visibility on loan growth, sanctioned loan portfolio of Rs 2.52 lakh crore, stressed assets resolution and healthy returns ratio. We have positive view on PFC and assign a SOTP based target price of Rs 560. Rs 390 based on PFC standalone business adjusted for investments in RSC and Rs 170 for PFC stake in RSC after a holding company discount of 20%, implying a potential upside of 32%. Next, we have an update on REC. Analyst initiates viewpoint coverage on REC with a price target of Rs 535. Expect 20% upside. Risk reward appears attractive for REC given steady growth and healthy return ratios. We expect loan book PAT CAGR of 16.6% and 12.8% for FY25 to 27, along with improvement in asset quality. Growth trajectory is expected to translate into healthy return on assets of more than 2.6% and return on equity of more than 20% in FY27. Moreover, it appears a long-term story as significant investment expected in the power sector in next 10 years with focus on renewable capacities. 215 gigawatt in February 2025 to 500 gigawatt in FY2030. Strategic important entity of Government of India, diversification of loan book and healthy dividend yield. We initiate viewpoint coverage on REC with a price target of Rs 535. Currently, the stock trades at 1.3x its FY26 and 1.1x its FY27 book value. A sustained track record of successful execution and steady healthy ratios are likely to drive re-rating of the stock. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to follow us on our social media handles for the latest market insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.